I look like a hobo. Like, with the hat. Yeah, man, it's freaking freezing. I don't even know how long I could record for before my phone gets like too cold. So let's see. My God, what a chaotic scene here. I mean, what do you even do in this situation? It's that out. Got a shovel. Oh my God. Yeah, man. But we're gonna have some fun. You know, it's like 8 a.m. Show for like half an hour, and you just get going. I'm gonna go ham. I'm way too energetic. But yeah, guys. So today, I don't know if I'm gonna post this before we record like the actual video, but yeah, I will. This will be just at the beginning, you know. But what we will be working on is the coaching page. So the actual like mentorship page, and what else? Just the design really, and other than that, it should be done soon, which is exciting. Man, tiring shit. Can't lie. I'm so scared my mic will fall. So much snow, dude. But we're making some nice ass progress. We are almost done. Like, we only have payment processing with Stripe. Like, we just have to work on that. We also need to just make the design look a little better and some backend functionalities. But the site should be somewhat finished in a couple weeks. I obviously need to record the guides, but that will be sort of private. But in terms of like the startup things, it should be done in like a couple episodes, which is super exciting because then we can focus more on the business side rather than coding side. But like you guys saw, like, we have been more business oriented these past like couple episodes, and I just think that's a better approach than just the coding side. Like, I know some of y'all watching is like, you guys are into the business, not just the coding. So, we can learn on all fronts. Just gotta get over here. By the way, I live in Canada. Like, this is our summer. I'm kidding. It's not our summer, but you know what I mean. It's fucking, like, I don't even know what this is. This is so crazy. This is overnight, guys. I shoveled yesterday. I didn't even show y'all. Like, it's crazy over here. Oh. Like, you can seriously just like get stuck in the snow and just fucking, leave this earth. It's horrific. Oh my God. Like, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look how deep that is. It's like half of me. I'm 5'6", so holy shit. Alright. These are like the worst months of the year. At least we're getting it over with at the start, At least it's not like middle of the year and you have like another 6 months of bad weather. It's like, okay, get it over with now. We're just seeing white, No homo. We're just seeing white all freaking winter. It's just white. At least make like snow like a nice color, It's just boring now. In the springtime you get like this the green, the flowers, stuff like that. What the fall. But with like winter, it's like, no, just white. Just enjoy this bland color. Man. Whew. Yo, I'm so tired right now. I gotta clean over here. You guys can see me. Okay. Anyways, guys, I'll cut to the. Yeah. We got a lot of shoveling done though, but I just wanted to show y'all what the hell we were doing. Like, that's what we're dealing with in the Canadian winter. I know some of you guys are experiencing that too. Just wishing you guys the best. But man, I am so tired. But we move on. We're gonna code. We're gonna get some things done. We're gonna work on the coaching page so that we can make it look really cool, really nice, and enjoy user experience. But just building it has been really fun. I always say it, but it's been a challenge too. I hope you guys can see me. I'm a little dark, but it's been a challenge just to keep myself motivated and out of my anxiety. As many of you guys know, I tend to deal with that, but we're doing what we can to soldier on, improve, and get to where we need to go. Looking at other people, you can say competitors, it's tough because they're doing a lot better than we are. Um, but I try to remind myself that that's not really the point. Like, I'm all for competition. I think that's a good thing. We should embrace competition. We should work with our competition. However, we should also kind of embrace embrace the feeling of competitiveness and use it as a mode of, what's the word, motivation and extra push, so that we could do more work and make better products. And I know you guys can see me right now, I'm just trying to get something, but hear my voice. Yeah, but this day's kind of normal with the Canadian weather. Like, it's like a normal thing now, so I'm still not used to it, but I don't even know what to do. But luckily I chose coding as my career, so I don't have to deal with whatever the hell we have to do outside, like shoveling and, well, I shoveled, but you know what I mean, like, it's a career, and stuff like construction. Like, I know those people get paid quite a bit, but you know what? I'd rather save an extra $10 an hour so I don't suffer through that shit. But we're gonna code now. We're gonna add some features. We're gonna have some fun, talk shit, and yeah. So I'll see you guys in a second. Just gonna make my coffee, then we can get right into the coaching feature. All right, guys. Before you make fun of my shirt because it has a little bit of dirt right here, I was washing my face and I had like the soap thing on, like the mask, and it got on. So I guess you guys have to deal with it for just this video, but I apologize. But anyways, I don't think you guys would judge me based off a dirty shirt. We all have dirty shirts, and that's fine. But anyways, we're going to work on the features. We're going to have some fun, guys, and really just make a fun time out of a stressful situation, because that's what it's getting to. As per usual, this is what the site is looking like right now. Honestly, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Again, I can re-add the sales page. I just not, because I want to have like a front view of everything, just for now. And here is the roadmap page that I've gotten quite a lot of requests to update. Like, firstly, it's taking a while to load. I don't know. We'll have to see what we can do about that. But I added a checklist so that when the user is done, they can check it off. I have not saved it to the user, so when we refresh, it will not save. So that's something we have to add. And in the guides page, as per usual, we have the full learning to code guide, which is the main thing we will be focusing on as the mode of purchase. And then we have the coaching page. The coaching page is the one that I have done some work on. Looks pretty good now. Obviously we have some things to work on, like the text and spacing and just looks. But it looks pretty good so far. I'm not going to complain. I might even talk to a, what are they called? Copywriter, an online copywriter, to get his advice on what I should write and the ideal way of selling someone on this. Next, we have the user info page. This is the thing I covered last time. We can add their email, their name, user type, and user ID, in addition to a sign out button. And down here we have a manage account area, where when the user pays for something or anything like that, they have the receipt, purchase history, and invoices, just so maybe they want it for a business or they want to write it off, they have it right there. Down here I added some things like the questions, refund policy, stuff like that. And finally down here, contact information. So as y'all could see, a lot of progress has been done, and we're mostly going to focus now on the coaching page. Now, if I make myself a bit smaller, the coaching page is the coaching that I offer to users from my YouTube channel. Now, it's had some pretty good numbers. I can't lie. One sec. I'm not gonna sit here and say it hasn't. I made a decent amount of money from it, around a couple $100s this month. And basically in it, we talk about whatever the user wants. Let's say they watch a YouTube video, maybe they're struggling with like functions and they want to, get a better idea of something. They can just sign up for coaching and they could get a 1 hour session. Or if they want more in-depth sort of talk, then they can, sign up for like a monthly membership. At first I was sort of against coaching, but once I used it in a professional sense, like I used it on a coder, like I bought coaching from a YouTuber, and I learned how valuable they could be. In the average person's eyes, they won't get it. I don't expect them to get it, but you can basically get information from someone that's made it faster. Like I was talking to a YouTuber that I talk about all the time called Small James. I don't know if he knows me, honestly, but he's gotten pretty big. And he gave me advice on what I was doing wrong with programming. And he set me straight. He told me, hey, you should be coding like 4 hours if you want to really see results. Like if you should code more, that's what he told me. And I applied that. And just a couple weeks later, I was in a much better position. And he honestly set me straight. Like he pushed me in the right direction. And I really saw the value in paid coaching. Now, I don't want to push this on anyone. I just want it there for someone that can afford it and wants that personalized advice. And I just want it here just so if someone does want it, they can get it. And honestly, I don't think it's that pricey. Like I know it's pricey in the sense of like some places around the world, that's obvious. But compared to like the other people in the YouTube space, it's not as expensive. So over here, we have the what we will cover, credentials, and some of the sites we've made. So what I want to do is, if we head over to the, let's see, coaching right here. I'm gonna make you smaller. There you go. And we can just get started with it. So I don't really like this right here. Too many words, boring and ugly. So what we can do is we can do some projects I've built. And I want to display the things I've built as per whatever like that. And I already did this, but I linked it to the actual apps. The Mentor app's acting up. I think it's because I used it too many times. I'm not sure. But, like Voice Scribe works. So stuff like that. Like it's a link thing. But anyways, I connected the links and the things. And now we need to make the spacing bigger. Like it's too congested. So what we can do here is, God damn it, I need to organize my code. It's so ugly. Coaching. Separate. Okay, so this right here should be space Y12. Yeah. So you see how there's some spacing there? Even if we make like 20, it'd be even cooler. Let's see that. Yeah, there we go. So one-on-one coaching, what we will cover, learn from my past mistakes. Okay. And I really want to add some features that are more front-end oriented, but just I don't have that sort of mind, I really find back-end easy. Like I know I said that it's a struggle in the sense that to get started with, but once I got the hang of the authentication, now it's like pretty easy. But yeah, the front end is just, I don't know, like I know how to design in that sense. It's just I don't know how to make it look like a 10 out of 10. Like I see some of the sites in the Discord, which is in the link if some people are interested. It looks so good. But when I do this, it doesn't, okay? anyways. Okay. What do we need? In the testimonials, actually, you know what? We need a way to make the padding more. You know what? Fuck it. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to stop worrying. Look how I'm like really worried about these things. I'm just going to do what kind of broadly matters, and then we'll worry about the specifics later. Okay? Learn from my past mistakes. rather than your future ones. That's a sick quote. I like thought of it. I was like, you know. Um, there we go. Okay. Learn from my past mistakes rather than your future ones. You know what, let's go to the testimonials. A guy in my Discord, he shout out to. There's a really cool like scroll animation. Not scroll animation. How do I say it? God damn it. You know what? Whatever. Testimonial scroll React. Okay, let's see some. Yeah, like that. See how it looks like that? That's what I want. So number 1, isotope. Buy now. Why would we buy a component? We're not doing that. I get they want to make money. That's understandable. So I get it. React grid carousel. I think I saw this one before. Yeah. Yes. So what we'll do is we'll add it into an image. Let's read the docs first so you guys can understand it a little bit. Carousel.item. Oh, okay. Seems pretty simple. And what will it come out as to show? No. Okay. Whatever. Bruh. npm install react grid carousel. Okay. Guess we gotta go with Next.js. No, we're not gonna make our own, guys. Link to scroll to a section in the same page. Build testimonial carousel. Code. Oh, this is what he meant. Framer motion carousel. That's how you spell carousel. Because within it, we could put an image. Maybe it's like a quote from our users that really liked it. Or something like, I guess, like a text. Okay. What we can do then is just take this. You know, right now, it's a little anxiety provoking. Like, I'm not going to lie. I'm just saying it because it's like, you know, it's true. I don't know what's going on, so we're going to research how to build fancy. Oh shit. I swear to God, guys, didn't I don't know. I don't know if they did. Maybe Shatien did it. They might have. Yes. Let's go. Okay. I really hope they have like 2 at a time. That would be ideal. Carousel length 5, index +1. Let's check the documentation here. Maybe there's a way for us to show like 2 at a time. You know what I mean? Instead of just 1. Let's see. API reference, maybe? No, not there. Maybe we can do something here. I like it. Okay, we're gonna use it. It's new. It's fun. I can't believe it came out right now. So let's go to the installation. Just this. See, guys, there's always a way. I just totally forgot it existed. Oh, shit. Oh, it won't work. Oh, it works now. Okay. Oh, it doesn't. I don't know why with my Shatien, the at latest just never works. Maybe it hates Arabs. There we go. It has been installed, guys. Now we're going to have fun. We are going to try it out. So I like this one. Like you see how it's on scroll. Nice smooth one. Let's see what they did. So they imported card and card content. I think we do not have card. Okay. Just trying to fix this. I want to stay consistent. Like that. Okay. So in this area right here, this concoction that we made. So we need carousel length 5. I just hope there's a way to display 2 or 3 at a time. Whatever. Now, let's see what we can do. Ideally, we should just copy this, see what it looks like, and then edit as we go. I think that's ideal. Okay, Jesus Christ. The fuck is this? Oh. Okay. What do we put in, right? That's the idea. Oh, I see. So for each form, where's this coming from? Where's the array thing coming from? And we're mapping through the key index. For each content, we display something within here. So maybe we can map through the content in here. You know what I mean? See, like, look, what if you do +2, just for fun? What happens? Refresh. 2, 3, 4. Oh, it starts at 2. Okay, let's cause some absolute chaos, guys. Let's put an image in there. Okay. So guys, look what we can do. This is actually quite nice. We can map through each. We'll make a data thing that we will map through and display each of these. Now, these are just placeholders for what we want to do. So actually, we can just write like, hi mom, mummy, kind of like the Brits. Like that. And here's what. We're going to copy this. I don't recommend you do this. Copying has always just been really risky for me, but I don't know, it just works. So like I do it sometimes when I kind of understand what I'm getting myself into, or like when I can just delete it right away, you know. Shit, you know, what we forgot to do is save what we changed up before. That's fine. Okay. I'm just having a lot of fun, you know. It's just so fun. You know, we've built a community now, and it's been amazing just what we've done. And, you know, this may not go well. This may go bad. May go sideways. We may get 0 sales. But at this point, it's not really about the money. It's more so about I guess you could say, like, the experience with what we are building. Because, you know, if this fails, which it's already weird enough to say, like, if it fails, like, why? But if it doesn't go as planned, then we learned a shit ton. We're going to use whatever we built here and use it in our next app. So I could care less if it does money-wise well or not. It honestly just comes down to the content. If our content blows up, we get more eyeballs on our content, then obviously there's going to be more purchases. But, you know, you know, at this point, the real ones are watching, so I could say whatever I want. So I did this before. Comment below, lemon, if you're still watching. No one will know what's going on. Like, it's so funny, you know? Just comment lemon, and then, or actually comment like the emoji lemon. Like, you know, the emoji. And look how confused people would be. But anyways, enough of that. Carousel. Okay. So testimonial. Okay. So guys, now is the time to put the items here. So in here, we will have a mapped item. So const testimonials equals to, let's see what our buddies at ChatGPT does. We're not going to use this, obviously. So John Doe, image, which will be an avatar, right? And then description in quotations. So does that work? Shit. Okay. Like that. Testimonials. Dot map testimonial. Testimonial dot map. Wait. Trying to think. Don't want to see the error now. Okay. So we're forgetting that. All right. Testimonial dot map. Okay. Within this, we're gonna have testimonial.image. Then within these, we're gonna have a p tag and another p tag with testimonial dot description and testimonial dot name. What are we missing? Server, tell me. No, we made a mistake. It's showing the same thing though. Wonder why. Honestly, let's just have like a picture of like Chad. No. Okay. So we need to change something. Why is Chad only on the first one? Well, what if we did two of these? Hi. No image. Fuck the image. Fuck. Okay. Huh. Carousel item. Oh. Usage. We don't even need item. Oh, this is one item. So I really wonder, guys. If we grab this, okay. You know what? This. Do that. Will it work, ladies and gentlemen? Wonder if it'll work. It's all very new to me. If this works, I'm gonna be so happy, guys. It works. It works. Let's go. Okay. I'm a kid. Let's go. Okay, so we that's what we're messing up. God, I love documentation. Read documentation, guys. Read documentation. It's amazing. We just saved, like, if we watched the tutorial, we would have like had to, waste 2 hours. We just looked at the documentation and added it. We did that shit, boys. Let's go. I'm really happy, guys. So, no. Okay, we're gonna manually put it in, I guess. But now it's not on all of them. It's on one. So honestly, we're gonna have like 5 or 6, so we don't have to map through it per se. I don't know. It would be good to map through it because then we can just display testimonial.name. What are we messing up here? Should we map what we're mapping through it? That's what's weird. We're going through each. We're testimonials.map testimonial. Do we have to add a key index? Or whatever, like testimonial? No, that's not it, right? Testimonial.name. Maybe it's in the map. Testimonials. Weird. It's weird. Oh, I see. This is where we messed up, guys. You guys ready? Okay. Instead of putting the carousel item outside of it, we put it within. These errors are so annoying, man. Please work. Please work. Please work. Please work. Let's go. Yes. We did it, guys. We did it. Amazing. Amazing. Okay. And now what we could do is maybe we could do like 2 testimonials right after each other, where it's like, carousel item 1 and then carousel item again, show it twice. That will not work. No, eh? Not at all? Okay. Understandable. This is ugly looking code though. It's fine. I'll take this code any day of the week. So now what we can do is we can remove all this. We can just, yes, amazing. So now, within our testimonials, we can have, let's say, Nizar is cool. Nizar sucks. Nice. Like that. Now what? Trying to think of a better way of doing it. Okay. Here's what we'll do. We're centering it for some weird reason when we shouldn't. So in here, we'll remove this because we already centered it. Yeah. All we need to do is worry about each, thing. So here's what I mean. So avatar. SRC. Testimonial. Dot image. So avatar is an import from a library called Material UI. I got so scared I thought my mic was. And basically it shows the image of the thing. Like it shows the user image. So what we can do here is put shad.svg. I'll show you real quick. Right here, that's like the image. And then here I can put like nazar.png, I guess. But if it does, yeah, there we go. Okay. So and then when there is no image, right? When there is nothing to show, then it'll show the other thing. So let's say it's like a broken one. So like ved, it'll show a boilerplate thing. Cool. Now, what we could do with that is quite a lot, guys. I'm actually really happy we got a lot done. We got this thing done. It's nice. Ideally, we could add like 2 carousel items per like thing, and then we can go through 2. I don't know, but yeah, it's not a big deal for now. It's fine. What we can do is in here. Another div. God damn it. Gotta make another div. That's the issue. There's so many divs. It's like honestly sickening. If you guys have like a more productive way of doing it, let me know. Because honestly, it's just so much, And in here, class name. Oh, shit. That's how it works. I'm all over the place right now. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, man. Relax. Does that do anything? It does do anything. There we go. Cool. 20. Now we need to center it. Oh, you know what? We can't center something that's not a div. Wonder what we can do. If we flex, then the John Doe will be at the top. Fuck it. Can we do text center? No. Okay. Look what we gotta do then. Another div. I'm just tired. Just do it. Come on. There we go. Guess what? No, I'm kidding. Here we can just do text center. John Doe. And we can do border black. Woo! Really nice. Nice. In the P, we can do padding top too. Here we go. And then we can just like center this. And honestly, let's have like padding X of like maybe 8. So that just in case, text goes completely chaotic. Like, here's what I mean. What the fuck? Why is it behind? Oh my god. What is going on? Why is it like behind this like this? Okay. Let's just throw an overflow hidden on that baby. Let's try now. That's weird, right? Like we put padding right, padding left 8. It's supposed to help this side too, no? Huh. There we go. All right, boys, we did it. There we go. Yay. Oh, now it's just completely hidden. Okay. We did not do anything, man. Overflow. What can we add here? Okay, wait. Overflow clip. Nizar sucks. And then it goes into this other thing. Oh. This happened last time. So Nizar sucks. It will, right? It'll work. Okay, cool. So last time I just had one really long word, so it didn't clip. We did it, guys. We did it. It works. That's all I'll say. Now we have this amazing testimonials page. This looks really good. I'm really happy with the Shad CN thing. So as per usual, not the. I mean, it's nice. It's not like the best, obviously, but we're working. We did a lot of work today. I'm really happy with everything. I know it's not like, wow, fucking amazing, but it's something, guys. I think that's what we should work towards, just adding little features here and there. I'm going to save it now. So if I go to my GitHub and just say testimonials plus coaching page, whatever, and save that, push it to the GitHub. By the way, my GitHub is... I never link my GitHub, and I don't know why. It's Nizar Abi Zahir. I'll link it this time. But I'm just going to show you guys real quick. Here it is. I missed a day in 2024. I'm actually really upset. I missed this day. I was trying to do like the whole year, but, a day missed is fine. So, guys, we added the thingy over here. We shoveled some snow. We had some fun. We're going to do the same thing here where we clip it, but it's fine. And yeah, like, this looks good. Like, it's really nice. I'm really, really happy with it. Testimonials, add some of them from the coaching clients so we make it look nice. And yeah. And, it all really comes down to the YouTube thing. Like, if I head over to my YouTube studio, we're at like 1900 subscribers, which is insane. Thank you guys a lot. Like, truly, I am shocked at how supportive y'all have been on the channel, and I'm grateful for every single one of you. So again, thank you so much. Thank you, truly, thank you so much for watching, sticking around with my boringness and weird personality. But I highly appreciate everything y'all have done. This channel wouldn't be what it is without the community, and I thank every single one of you. So I'm gonna end the thing here, but expect more content, and we're obviously gonna keep building. I highly doubt anyone's watching at this point, so I can kind of just rant. But thank you, really. It's just really an honor to have this community, especially on the Discord and the thing we're building. And I really hope in the future, this self-made devs. I don't know why I named it that, but I really hope this thing that we're building becomes a place for developers to come. They go to the guides, they see like 12 guides over here that are free, and courses, that are free, so they could use. Obviously there's gonna be some paid things, but you know what I mean. Like, just a place where they could come, learn, and have fun, and have a community, obviously, to do so. That's the main thing. We have each other's back and stuff like that. So, anyways, guys, I'm ranting, but thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support, and happy coding, and I love you guys. All right, have a good one. Bye bye.